Now, if this guy had a channel, see, he could be posting like how-to videos, but I guess I get to do it. So, we're gonna go put my mom's toilet in. Oh, it's all unpacked already?
Partially, I couldn't lift the other part out.
Oh.
It's in the bedroom.
You want 3 dogs and a steak for
No, what's up with that?
Oh, turlet. 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 Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Okay.
He's gonna hurt himself.
That's fair. Gotta replace the toilet. Probably bend over a little easier than me.
Is that a short joke?
No, it's a fat joke. But it's not a joke because I'm fat.
Hey there! How you doing?
Oh, hi, Bird. What's going on? Too many people in here or what? You know you're loud, right? Yeah. So why did your bird come land on me?
I don't know. Maybe she got used to you after you spent time here.
I don't know. Hi.
Oh, now she's hissing at David.
Oh, yep. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay. Well, suppose we have to like undo the tank first, do we? That would make a big freaking mess. I already shut that off.
We're gonna need an ice cream bucket.
Do you have any ice cream? Dave's calling for ice cream already. He wants his treat before he's done.
I have ice cream. So yeah, and then let's go.
Here, try that.
So they said, well, you know, they're like, you need to go in. I'm like, oh, okay.
That'll work. Hmm?
So I called Gunderson. I assumed it could have been my lens. So I called Gunderson to tell them that I was wondering if I could see Rocky.
Holy. Oh, so that's how you do that. You've done this before.
Maybe. Just dirty.
Alright, I suppose we better clean that shit up there. Clean up the old mess here.
Oh, this is way higher. I'll guarantee you that. Totally different.
The wax ring cleaned up there.
Here it is.
The floor must be uneven.
What is it?
They used part of the old wax bowl ring box to shim the toilet.
Oh, for Pete's sake.
See?
Oh. Yeah, so
We can shove the snake down there, but it don't plug to me.
okay, so it probably was just in the
Probably.
toilet. Yeah, because sometimes it wouldn't go down even out of the main part of the toilet. So.
Here you go, clean it up, would you?
What is it?
Just wet wax ring.
No, I think to put up on top of that thing. It goes on top of that.
There's one under there already.
No, I meant on the top. Doesn't one have to go on the top?
No.
What?
There's already one right there.
Oh, the freaking thing,
Well, yeah, I thought the
The,
black thing had to go on the top of that.
the seal.
No.
It's
It will.
already here.
It will once I put this on there. It'll be on top of that and the bottom of this.
Yeah, it'll squish between.
Shush! Will it fit?
Oh, we got the wrong bowl. Oh wait, maybe not.
Adjustable end.
Adjustable end wrench.
Crescent's just the brand name.
Oh, we gotta get this. Oh.
Oh, it's too long.
Bet you've never heard that before.
No, I haven't.
Here's the water. First water.
Our toilet's not virgin anymore.
Wow, that thing. Why is that film?
I haven't turned it on all the way.
Oh.
It's just partial.
All right. I guess we're full-fledged plumbers now.
That's right. No, we're not.
What?
We didn't.
What? You get a leak?
No.
Oh. What?
Hold on here.
Oh, you're gonna fill it. It's gonna fill. It's gonna fill the
All
toilet.
right. All right. Now we're plumbers.
Oh yeah. Hey, Ma, come look at the full-fledged plumber. Pull it up. Pull it up.
The what plumber?
The full-fledged plumber.
What? Well, is he taking a leak there as we're sitting?
No. Now we're full fledged.
Oh,
See, plumbers were in fashion before all these saggers were.
That's right.
Take forever to
Look how
fill that up.
we've had this on for 3 or 4 minutes now.
You have to take a
is
vacation.
that water turned all the way on? You bonehead? Stop it. Stop it. We know how you are.
Did it make the back of your head get hot just for a second? Just to get that flush? Oh, I could just spend a whole bunch of money in it.
No.
Oh. Ready. Now, how's that supposed to take down a turd? Really? I mean, that wasn't very powerful at all. I mean,
We might have to adjust the height of the... There wasn't much water in here either.
right up to the overflow, huh?
Fucking me.
Water saving my ass! Oop, too far. Oh, yeah, too far.
What are you talking about?
Well, because it's just about ready to go over the overflow, and if it does go over the overflow, it'll just keep it running. Oh, that's better.